Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. I wanted to do a daily update here because we are actually seeing some bullish momentum. I think it's relatively early to call this bullish momentum. Like, we haven't really had significant bullish breakouts, at least not on the 4-hour time frame. But this is what we talked about. All right, what we talked about yesterday is that Fetch is bearish, and I would technically still classify it as bearish for the simple reason of looking at the charts right here. This is not bullish, of course, right? But I do think we are seeing some early signs of bullish momentum, and you could also argue that this is actually, like, if you go to the 1-hour time frame, this is actually a relatively bullish structure right here, right? Beautifully drawn, but that we make a bottom at a strong support level at 1.05, right? So we have that high time frame support level, and then from there we actually gain enough momentum to get a bullish breakout. And on the 1-hour time frame we did that. All right, I think yesterday the level we talked about potentially breaking above that, and then we could rally. I think that was the level right here at 1.19 and 1.17 and a half. And this is a real resistance level. All right, so we broke above that, and this is all real. And then for me, the main level that we really need to break above is around 1.25. And on the 1-hour time frame, we also broke above that already. All right, so I do think that there's reasons to be bullish on Fetch. I would be cautious though. All right, the markets are still not amazing. Bitcoin is falling down a bit now. I don't think Bitcoin will move much. And the one thing hopefully I cut that out, but I probably will forget. The one thing we need to see is some real momentum for Fetch. Right, that's what we talked about yesterday as well. It's basically, if you want Fetch to rally, if you want Fetch to do well, and I think a lot of AI coins right here are actually at decent levels. Like if you look at Render, if you look at Near, they're all at some high time frame support levels. And if we're talking about a bearish Bitcoin dominance, which is to be expected somewhere in the summer due to all the Bitcoin specific selling, I would say the AI narrative has a good chance to rally. The thing is that you do need confirmation for that. And there are 3 things I think that we need for confirmation for a rally from Fetch. And that is, first of all, a bullish Bitcoin, which you could call Bitcoin bullish on the 1-hour time frame here, but it's a bit of a stretch. You need a breakout from Fetch. I think we need one on the 4-hour time frame above 1.26.5 cents, so 1.265, and you need some momentum from Fetch, and that is still lacking. I would say, like, you could argue that Bitcoin is relatively bullish here. You could argue that Fetch is relatively bullish here, at least on the 1-hour time frame. So you can take some sort of a short-term long position, and we can see some short-term bullish momentum. That's possible, but if you look at this momentum, like, to really turn bullish here, this is not bad, but this needs to continue. All right, this needs to continue, something like this. If that happens, then we can actually rally. For now, my feelings tell me that it's quite likely that that will happen, and that we will see some sort of a breakout like this, and rally up to 1.4, 1.45, and then from there we'll see again, maybe higher, depends on the momentum. So this is, I think, a realistic possibility, but just keep your eyes on that level at 1.27, 1.26 and a half. Do we break above that? Is momentum going up? Great, we can rally. If not, and that's in line with the structure right now, so I have to tell you that's most likely, we'll just drop down. We'll just drop down here and consolidate on top of $1 and 1.1 like this. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.